Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a chart on a Google spreadsheet by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Google spreadsheet. You can do by open your Google Drive, or you can also just click the Sheets application, and after that you can choose either you want to start a new document, or you can also the previous document that you already have. So for me, I want to use my previous documents. Here I already have the information. So here on the left, on the first column, I already have the information according to the product, and for the second column I already have the information about the quantity that related into the product. So here it's about the product sales in August 2020, the information. Okay, so how to create a chart? So you just need to plug the information of the product and quantity, the whole table. You just need to plug it, and after that please go into the plus button here, and you will be generated into the insert tools, and just click into the chart. And now you can choose the type of the chart here. If you want to do a line chart, you just need to click line. If you want to choose area chart, you can also click it, the area chart. But if you want to do a column, you just need to click columns. Okay, today I think I want to do a line chart, so let's do it. And after finish, just click done by click this left corner. And now we can adjusting the size of this chart, as well as adjusting the positions of the chart. Okay, so here we already have the chart with the information of the quantity on the left side, as well, and the name of the product in the bottom side here. That's all the way how you create the chart on a Google spreadsheet. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.